we will discuss about linear homogeneous partial differential equations with constant coefficient. On your screen you can watch an equation a0 del raised to n z divided by del x raised to n plus a1 del raised to n z divided by del x raised to n minus 1 into del y plus a2 plus an. If you observe that the degree of the numerator, the order of the numerator is n everywhere, and that is why it is called as an homogeneous equation. Everywhere the order of this derivative is n every term, and a0, a1, a2, an are the constant. Therefore here we call it as a linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Whenever the f of x comma y is 0, it is called as a non-homogeneous. Now in this equation, if we put del by del x equal to d and del by del y equal to d dash, then in short we can write it as a0 d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 d dash plus an d dash raised to n z operating on z equal to f of x comma y. Now friend, to solve this equation we consider an second order equation. Consider the second order equation. Suppose a0 del to z by del x square plus a1 del to z by del x del y plus a2 into del to z by del y square equal to 0. In this equation, let us put this value del by del x equal to d and del by del y equal to d dash. So it will be converted into a0 d square plus a1 d into d dash plus a2 into d dash square operating on z equal to 0. See the degree of the x del x square term easily here del x square, so we have taken here d square first, del x, so we have only d, and del y, therefore in the second term we have here d and d dash, this is a d square, and for this d del y square this is a dl d dash square, and hence this will be converted into like this a0 d square plus a1 d into d dash plus a2 d dash square z equal to 0. It is a second order differential equation. Therefore hence again we substitute d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. In this equation let us put, so a0 into m square plus a1 into m plus a2 equal to 0. In this part if we put this d equal to m and d dash equal to m, this is converted into an simple algebraic equation. This is important, and whenever you will be able to find this as an algebraic equation, half of the work is done and you will be very closer to the solution. This total differential equation is now reduced to an algebraic equation. We have nothing to do. It is a very simple trick. The look at this. What is the here order of d? Order of d is a 2, so we have taken m square. Order of d here is a 1. We have m, and here is a nothing d. Therefore, we have taken only constant, and for d dash we have replaced everywhere is a 1. and this equation is converted into simple equation a0 m square plus a1 m plus a2. This thing is a very important while solving the partial differential equation. Even though while solving the ordinary differential equation, this equation is called as an auxiliary equation. This equation is called as an auxiliary equation. So whenever you will be able to find an auxiliary equation, half work of this will be done, and you can find the solution of this differential equation. Now this is a second order, therefore it must have two roots. This is an by principle of algebra. First principle of algebra, it must have two roots, and that root may be different or may be same. Okay, so there are two cases arises when this auxiliary equation have two root. Then case first, if there are two roots and m1 and m2 are different, these two roots are different, then solution of this differential equation is z equal to f1 y plus m1x plus f2 y plus m2x. Look at this, we have to only find the root of this equation and put that root into this relation. That will be the solution of this differential equation. Nothing more efforts need. Look at this. Here you need to find only the root of this differential equation. Now second case, say whenever the roots are same, m1 equal to m2, then z equal to f1 of y plus m1x plus x into f2 of y plus m1x. This is the solution of this differential equation. Friend, remember these things. These are the very important things to solve the differential equation. You have to put d by del x as a capital D, del by del y as a d dash, then substitute d equal to m, d dash equal to m, d dash equal to 1, then you will get the auxiliary equation. Find the root of that auxiliary equation. If roots are different, then put that value in the relation z equal to f1 y plus m1x plus f2 y plus m2x. If roots are similar, then z equal to f1 y plus m1x plus x into f2 y plus m1x. These are the solution of this differential equation. So remember this thing. This is a very simple and important techniques of finding the solution of partial differential equations with constant coefficient. Thank you.